Hello and welcome. This presentation is about ManagerQuest. ManagerQuest is a game-based training platform designed for young professionals who want to advance to managerial positions. ManagerQuest helps to develop mediating, delegating, and decision-making skills proper of a manager. ManagerQuest is designed as a 3-level single-player learning experience. ManagerQuest uses the case scenario to expose the trainees to situations likely to happen at the workplace in order to develop the essential skills. To begin ManagerQuest, preparing managers for success, the trainee will have to complete the different tasks in each of the 3 levels of the game in order to earn a skill plus badge that identifies the specific skill for that level. The trainee will begin by choosing and customizing a manager me. This is a character that will help the trainee to complete each of the levels of the game. Once the trainee has selected the manager me, the trainee can also customize it. The trainee is advised to select a proper attire for a manager while customizing the manager me. Once the manager me is ready, the trainee can begin level 1, mediating quest level. In mediating quest level, by the time the trainee has completed the task, the trainee will have identified a dispute occurring between two subordinates, outline the characteristics of each individual involved, and formulate a viable solution to the dispute. The environment for level 1 is the conference room. The trainee is guided to find the clue in this environment in order to reveal the case scenario and the task to complete the level. The case scenario involves a dispute occurring between two subordinates at the workplace. The task for this level involves the trainee to describe the root of the problem occurring by answering the guiding questions. Also, the trainee will bring together the parties involved by answering the guided questions in order to identify the parties involved personal involvement in the situation. Thirdly, the trainee will answer different questions in order to provide a viable solution to the dispute between the two subordinates and to resolve the problem. Once all the responses are submitted, the trainee will have earned the mediating skill plus badge and is allowed to move to the second level, the delegating quest level. By the time delegating quest level is completed, the trainee will have aligned the skills needed to complete a task with the appropriate subordinate, will have identified the unique skills and attitudes of a subordinate, and finally, will have created a clipboard of duties to assign to the individuals with the appropriate skills to complete those duties. In this level, the trainee will access the inventory menu to find the map in order to arrive to the level's environments. The first environment is the office resources, the human resources office. In this environment, the trainee is asked to find the two subordinate files, Chris and Joanne's, in order to learn about their background and their skills. Then the trainee is asked to move to the inventory room, which is the second environment level. In there, the trainee needs to find the assignment clipboard, which will reveal the case scenario for this level. The case scenario for this level involves the different duties to be completed. The task for this level is for the trainee to be able to identify the appropriate skills needed and the subordinate with those skills in order to complete the assignment. Once the trainee has completed the assignment clipboard and submitted the work, the trainee will have earned the Delegating Skill Plus badge, and he will be able to move to the final level in ManagerQuest, called the Decision Quest level. In the Decision Quest level, by the time the trainee completes the level, the trainee will have been able to distinguish the importance and the outcomes of an important decision that affects an organization, to make the most cost-effective decision in order to improve the organization operations, and finally to formulate the reasoning that makes that decision the best alternative. Like in level 2, in this level, the trainee will also use the inventory menu to find the map to arrive to level 3 environment, which is the Executive Office Suite. In there, the trainee will have to find the two reports, the inventory report and the sales report, in order to learn about the case scenario for this level. The case scenario involves the inventory background for a company and the sales inventory, the sales report for that same company. Once the trainee has learned about the information contained in the reports, the task for this level is to provide a decision or an action that resolves each of the areas outlined in the decision table. The trainee will have to also provide the possible outcomes for that decision, the rationale behind that decision, and to describe how the decision made is cost-effective for the company. Once the decision table is completed and submitted, the trainee will have earned the final badge for this level, called the Decision Skill Plus. And this will have concluded the 3 levels for ManagerQuest. ManagerQuest also integrates accessibility features in order to reach the vast majority of our target audience and keeping in mind their accessibility needs. Some of these features include the flashing blocking feature, which allows to stop blinking and flashing of moving elements in the game. Also, the screen reader feature provides the game with compatible screen reader users. The keyboard navigator allows the trainee to navigate by keyboard, not using the mouse. The text reader allows to read the game's content out loud. Other accessibility features include voice commands. The trainee can perform commands with a microphone within the game. Also, the mic monogram changes the game's shades to grayscales. The game also includes bright contrast and dark contrast features for easier visual access to the game elements. Other accessibility features include the font increase and font decrease features, the large white cursor and the large black cursor. The magnifier feature allows to zoom into the screen display. Links allows to highlight all the links in the game. And also, image description feature allows the display of the images throughout the game to be described in a floating window. All these features are part of the accessibility for ManagerQuest to respond to the different learning needs of our target audience. This concludes this presentation about ManagerQuest. We hope you enjoy playing ManagerQuest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.